Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is my long-awaited Sephora holiday savings event VIB sale for 2022. I promised you guys this video, so I'm going to share with you what I actually picked up from the sale. So you're going to check out all the items I picked up from the sale and a little bit of a try on and first impressions. Definitely keep watching. For those of you who are new here, thanks so much for checking this out. I'm a full-time working mom, but in my spare time, I love making these videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, in addition to reselling and luxury as well. Basically everything I enjoy doing in my spare time. So if that kind of thing sounds at all interesting, definitely check out my other videos and consider hitting that subscribe button as well. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching yet another video. Alright guys, so here is my annual holiday savings event VIB Sephora sale for 2022. So as you all probably know, if you're a Sephora lover like I am, the sale now has ended, sadly. This video is a little bit delayed in that sense. I just hadn't gotten around to filming it. But I think there's definitely still value in seeing what I picked up during this event, because most of these items, if not all of them, are available still at Sephora. Or if they sold out at Sephora, they are available at other retailers. And a lot of these are perfect holiday items, giftable items, and items that I definitely still recommend checking out during this time of year. Even if the particular Sephora sale is over, you can definitely still pick these items up. And mark my words, a lot of the event savings sale items go on additional sale later on in the season. So I hope this video is still helpful for you. In case you're curious, this video is in no way sponsored by Sephora. All these items were not gifted to me. I purchased these with my own hard-earned money. I am just an average working mom like a lot of you. And I really love playing around with makeup and different fragrances, as you'll see as well. So I hope this video is unbiased. It can provide you with some good tips as to what types of items I would recommend picking up this season. Alright, so before I get started, I do want to do one little honorable mention item. And if you did watch my Sephora savings event recommendations and wish list, or what's in my cart video, I'll link it below in case you're curious. I talked about the items that I really enjoy repurchasing, items that I would highly recommend purchasing as well. So one of the items was this type of product. So this is the Tarte Maracuja lip set. So Sephora does offer several different variations and sets of this Maracuja Juicy Lip Set. I love these little lip balm lip glosses. I think this line is amazing. The Maracuja line of their lip products is just jam-packed with tons of really good for you ingredients. It's very smooth going on, comfortable, not sticky at all. So I highly recommend the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip products. So I had a couple of sets of these in my wish list, or on my wish list I should say, during my Sephora recommendations video. But as is true for all sales, when I'm about to purchase them at one site, I tend to quickly check out some of my other favorite retailers and see, if they have better deals on some items. So during the time that I was about to purchase these items from Sephora, I did come across even better values, cuter packaging elsewhere. So I will link this particular set down below. I also will link another amazing, just larger set of these juicy lip products down below as well. But right now, these are my current favorite lip products because they are perfect for a little bit of color. They moisturize very well. In fact, I am wearing one of these shades from this particular pack up right now. This is the darkest in the set. It's called Black Cherry. And as you can see, it's not very dark. So it's perfect for kind of on-the-go person like I am, a mom, where I don't wear a lot of makeup, especially on the weekends. So I like this kind of look. It's very hydrating. The set that I picked up is the plumping set. So I hadn't tried this before, but I really like how it turned out. There's a little bit of a tingle, but it's not uncomfortable, not sticky. The sensation reminds me a little bit of the Buxom lip products that I really like for plumping as well. So anyway, I really love the formulation here. So let me show you up close what this pack up looks like. It's called Santa's Wish List, and you get 5 of the juicy lip plumpers in here. Just a really great value. Here's what the packaging looks like for holiday packaging, and these are all the different shades, so really wearable shades. Again, I'm wearing the black cherry. I wanted to try out supposedly the darkest color, and as you can see in my lips, it's not very dark, and that's kind of what I love. The nice thing, of course, is, well, you get 5 of these, so they're great value, and each of these, as you can see, is dressed up for holidays. So it's the Juicy Lip Plump here, and as you can see, it has a bunch of sparkly glitter finish on each of them. So really beautiful. And here's what it looks like. So let me just open this. So it looks like this. This is a really pretty color here. And what you do for the application is you just pump the bottom of this and it comes out of the top, and you just put it on like a little lipstick or lip balm. So I really do like this type of applicator versus a typical doe foot lip gloss applicator. I think this is a lot easier. You apply it kind of like a little lip balm or chapstick. So super convenient in that way. But look at the packaging. So definitely check this set out. I think it was a better value than Sephora, and really cute holiday packaging. So that's definitely my first little honorable mention. Okay, so since I purchased that elsewhere, I didn't purchase any of the Tarte lip products in this haul here, but I will show you guys what I actually decided to pick up. It came in 2 pretty large boxes. I'm going to start with the big one first because there's just one item in that. Okay, so this item shipped separately, and this will be no surprise to you because I did mention it in my wish list video. As you can see, I decided to splurge on myself. I picked up the Charlotte Tilbury Charlotte's Diamond Chest of Beauty Stars. So this is really pretty, as you can see here. It's their little advent calendar, and it comes with multiple products, a lot of them that I love, others that I wanted to try out. So I decided, hey, while it's on a little bit of a discount, just go for it. I think this may be sold out at Sephora now, but I definitely saw it available at other retailer sites, so I will link some options down below. I'm not going to open this one up for this particular video because I want to do a little bit of a dedicated unboxing where I'm going to take you through what's inside, show you the packaging, and also share with you all the different products that you get in this little advent calendar. So my next video, stay tuned for it, will be a full unboxing, first impressions of this beautiful little Charlotte Tilbury advent calendar. But this was the first item that I just had to pick up in the sale. Super excited about that. It was a little bit of a considered purchase, obviously, a little higher price point, but when you think about the value, it's pretty incredible because you do get a lot of really good products from Charlotte Tilbury. I'm gonna leave it here just for some nice little eye candy. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and bust into the main box here with the remaining items that I picked up from the sale. I have not seen any of this, so it's really a true unboxing. This is obviously my favorite Sephora sale of the year because there's just so many fun holiday products and gift sets to pick from. Just really get you excited for the fun season ahead. So I have a couple things in here to start with. I got a couple of samples. So I got an Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer sample, and then they threw in this Gucci mascara. I haven't tried this before, so I will try this out. Again, as I've always said, the samples that you actually click on that you want to check out when you purchase something online are never the ones, or rarely the ones that I actually get. I think they just throw in random samples. I mean, they're just samples. Honestly, I rarely use samples, so it's not a huge deal, but you know, it's a little bit annoying. Why make us go through the motion of picking out samples when we just really never get what we pick? But hey, if they're free, I cannot complain. So that's what I got this time. And then as an extra little thing here, I got the little birthday sets. So my birthday is in November, and it's always convenient because that's the time of the sale. So I can definitely kind of at the same time pick out my little birthday gift from Sephora. So I decided to go with the little Nest set. I thought that was super adorable. I really love Nest products, as I'll talk about. And this came with little fragrances and a candle, I believe. So let's see what it looks like. So it looks like in here there are 2 little fragrances. All right, so I will pick that up. I hope that didn't crack. Alright, what's an unboxing without a little bit of drama? Alright, I don't think it cracked, which is nice, but that was exciting. So the first little fragrance here is the one that I actually dropped, and that is Indigo by Nest. So I do like this fragrance. It's one of their newer-ish fragrances, I think. I've tried it before, and I own a small version. This is a little roller ball, so it's a really nice little small purse version here. And then here is a Seville Orange perfume oil. So I haven't tried the perfume oils, but this smells really nice, and it's a little roller ball, but because it's oil, it's definitely a little smaller vial. So this is what was in the pack up. I'll try to protect that a little better. And then I do love that we could get a little candle as well. And this is the grapefruit scent, which smells really nice. It's more of a sweeter type of a grapefruit, I would say. You definitely smell the sweet note to it, but it's just so pretty. Look at this little candle. But when I say little, I mean it's little. Look at that. I don't know how long this will burn, but it's kind of funny. But it's just a really nice vessel, a little nice black ceramic type vessel. It smells definitely like a sweetened grapefruit. So I am going to definitely look forward to trying that out for, I don't know, the hour that it lasts. But nonetheless, I'm thankful. I love candles, as I will talk about ongoing in future videos. I've really gotten more into candles recently. I just love what they do for the house, how nice they smell, and just really nice ambiance. So I thought this was a nice little set. Really happy to pick up this Nest little birthday gift. So that's the first item in there. Okay, so now on into what I got. So one of the things I got was this, and I talked about this in my wishlist video. This is the Touchland set of hydrating hand sanitizer mists. So I'll show you guys up close in a minute, but it comes with, let's see, 5 different scents: blue sandalwood, purple lavender, berry bliss, vanilla blossom, and rainwater. So I don't think I have any of these so far. I have a couple other ones, the apple one and one other scent, but I don't think it's in this pack up. I do like these because look at how cute they are. Packaging is everything, but they also are super convenient for small little crossbody bags. They're flat, it's a little spray applicator, and it doesn't leak in my purses or bags. So I like this a lot, and it's just super fun to use, so I decided to go for this. So here's what the pack up looks like up close, but again, super convenient, really pretty, kind of practical little gift set. And then the next thing I have is my new fragrance, and I talked about this in my wishlist video. I do like purchasing new fragrances for every season because it just kind of reminds you of that year and that season. So for the fall, I wanted something a little bit more fall and winter-like, warmer. And I've always had my eye on this version of a Tom Ford fragrance, but just haven't tried it. So I figured now's the time. I was able to get the smaller version of this. So sometimes this is sold out at Sephora, but when I saw it in stock, I decided to go for it. So this is not a new fragrance, and one that people often talk about, but I have never tried before, and it's Tom Ford's Lost Cherry. So as I talked about in my wishlist video, this is a blind buy. I have not been able to find it at my local Sephora, such that I have not tried this out at all yet. I just kind of went with a gut feeling that I probably would enjoy it. So this is my first test of this fragrance, but I'm happy that I got the small little version of it, the spray version, just because in case it's a fail. I mean, I didn't invest hundreds and hundreds in this, but look at how pretty this is. This is so pretty and how it comes. And I have a couple other Tom Ford fragrances which I like. The Soleil Blanc collection, I have a couple of those, which I really like for more summer time or springtime. So I wanted to try a new fragrance for fall from Tom Ford. Okay, let's try it. Well, first impressions are good. You do get that little cherry scent, and this is one, at least per reviews, that evolves with time. I think it kind of gives different notes as you go through the day, but I do like it. Yeah, this is really pretty. I think this is a really amazing fall winter scent, so I'm going to look forward to using this. I love this packaging. There is a magnetic closure at the top, And let me show you guys up close, but it's super pretty. For that alone, I think this is a perfect purse little fragrance. It's super pretty. I do like it. I'm gonna see how it sits on my body, but I'm so far impressed. So here's how the packaging looks like. It says Tom Ford, as you can see there. So you can definitely tell the packaging is high quality, and there's a magnetic little closure here on the cap. And look at how pretty the spray is. So really, really beautiful. So I'm super excited to use this during the season. There's not a lot in here is the problem, but you know, I think it's really pretty, and it has the Tom Ford logo on the top there. So if I do like it, I will go ahead and purchase the larger version, maybe at the next Sephora sale. So just so you know, this is pretty small though. It's 10 milliliters or 0.34 fluid ounces. So not a whole lot, but you know, this is not for me going to be an everyday fragrance. Since I work in healthcare, I have to watch what I wear during the work week. So I wear a lot more fresh, lighter scents. But this is perfect, I think, for weekends, going out, that kind of stuff. So I'm excited to use this. I will keep you posted on how I like it, but so far, yeah, it's really, really, really something that I have a great first impression of. All right, so this is a pretty quick haul because I tried to kind of limit what I picked up this season because I do have a lot of stuff, of course, for makeup, and a lot of items are in this little chest here. So this is actually the last item in this haul, and this is the one that I get every single year. So this is the Nest Holiday Scent. I love it. Usually every year they have a set of a candle and a reed diffuser from the holiday scent line, but this year I didn't see that pack up. So I just went for the reed diffuser. I stockpiled some holiday candles last year, so I have those already. I went for the reed diffuser this time because I needed to restock this. So let's see how it looks this year. But this is a gorgeous, gorgeous reed diffuser. This holiday scent for me just smells like holiday. It's such a great name for it because it's such a beautiful, beautiful scent. So let's see here. Here's what it looks like, and of course it comes with the different reeds as well. And let's see how they describe the scent. So it's described as pomegranate, mandarin orange, pine, cloves, cinnamon, a hint of vanilla, and amber. And these for me last several months, at least 3 to 4 months, definitely through the winter season. And then during the spring and summer, I switch out for a different reed diffuser. But I just let this go the entire winter season, and it's perfect. It just makes the whole house smell amazing. And especially with little kids around, I have to be very careful when I burn candles. I burn candles a lot because I love candles, but I have to be wary of it. So this one just is constantly on, really, and I don't need to worry about it. So I do like reed diffusers for that reason. So here's the packaging. So just really beautiful gold embossing. You can see it's a really nice quality glass vessel. It's not cracked like some years mine have become cracked after shipping, but this is just a beautiful one. I think they've used this pattern before though, but it's very pretty kind of home decor, and I just put this in my living room and just let it go all season long. So sometimes these fragrances will go on sale after the holiday season, so definitely look out for them. That's how I stockpiled some of my candles last year. So just a little tip for that. But yes, really, really beautiful reed diffuser. Okay, so I think that's it. That's my entire Sephora VIB holiday sale. So this isn't a super large haul, of course, but I did get some really nice higher end items, and I'm really excited to try them out. So definitely stay tuned for my next video where I will unbox this beauty and show you every single thing that's inside of this advent calendar. I hope you scored some amazing items in the Sephora sale as well. Comment below, let me know what your faves of the sale are as well. I always love hearing about things you guys are into these days too. Thank you so much for watching another video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.